Alright, so today on the farm we're moving a grain cart back over to the farm to get started harvesting corn. This is the last field of corn for this year. We didn't grow much corn. Hopefully get it done the day before the rain hits. Or so. Good looking beans we got over there on the left. Can't wait to harvest them this November or so, hopefully. Yeah, some good looking cotton coming up on the right here too. We'll be getting into that tomorrow if we get done corn, hopefully. And can't wait to be in picking cotton, because last year we had a good yield. This year we hopefully will have a good yield. As much fertilizer and mess we put on the cotton. Cotton's one of my favorite things to harvest anyway. But anyway, we'll hopefully gonna get this back to the farm and get started picking corn here in a little bit. That's some good looking corn, if I do say so myself. Combine and service truck are already over here. All we gotta do now is get the semi moved. Alright, so here we are in the semi. We got a little bit of corn in here from this field, but we'll just carry on over. We got the 7250 and the liquid tanker out here to spread some manure when we get done with harvesting cotton and everything. We'll put that down, run our 8370R and our 9-shank inline ripper down here when we get done with that. Rip up them corn stalks and drill some winter rye over it and grow some rye this year as a cover crop on that. And then we'll come back in the spring with the ripper again. After we put some lime out, rip it up, run the disc and the field cultivators over it, and have that horse 9-row planter hooked up to something and plant some cotton out there. Because that is our rotation. We do corn stalks go to cotton, cotton goes to wheat, and beans go to corn. So that's how we do our rotation every year. Alright, we're gonna get this corn started. I picked a few of the end rows off, and we're gonna pick some of this corn here. Some good yielding corn so far. Didn't even make it all the way around without being full. And then we're gonna cut to a time lapse.
I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds, at full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living, boss man tripping, my overtime strong, I don't pay him no attention. Money in the mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I gotta pay for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the boss heard me. Nobody on this job site's working like I'm working. 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby. never sleep in. That ain't how we was brought up. I push it to the limit when the money gets low, and been on the work pass when the plant whistle blows. Paycheck.
Alright, so the day on the farm is now October 2nd. We're going to drive the Ford 350 over here over to our cotton field and get started picking some cotton. I already got the cotton picker down there. We finished corn last night. The dryers are still running hard to keep up. Basically got 3 truckloads of corn sitting at the bins ready to dry still. Having a hard time keeping up. I don't know why the dog's in the road. And there's our beautiful cotton picker down there, and oh my god, that sunset's beautiful with the way the cotton picker's sitting there and all that white gold out there. This is some Delta Pine variety cotton we got here. I'm gonna get the cotton picker and get a picture for the Instagram here, and then we'll get the cotton picker and get going. Cotton's one of my favorite things to pick, like I said earlier. And fire the machine up, warm up with just a little bit, crank the header on, warm up some more, and we'll get started. 6 rows at a time. Got a little bit of wind this morning, which is helping dry on that rain off of everything from yesterday night. I got enough to not get an early start, but it's dry enough that we can go. And this is our little test plot here of Delta Pine. The rest of the field is a different variety. I only plant this little piece here into a test plot of whatever crop I'm growing. This year it's in cotton. Whatever crops on this field gets put into a test plot here. Last year it was corn, and we had a Pioneer variety there, which we did not decide to plant this year. We went with a Asgrow variety of corn this year. We'll get this cotton picked here, and we'll see you in a little bit.
Paycheck feeling like a lottery ticket. I might save a couple bucks if my kids don't spend it. Don't matter, cause I love it every day of my life. Spend more time on the clock than I do with my wife. State to state, never late, putting miles on the road. Drop it off, fill it up, get me to my next load. Call my old lady, let her know I'll be late. And I ain't worried, cause I know that she gon' save me a plate. I told you 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day.
Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.